Welcome back to our Online Access video tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to convert your funds as well as how to view your conversion history. The first thing to do is make sure you're logged in, which you can check by looking at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Converting funds can be done in two ways, either by selecting the blue Convert My Money button in the middle of the screen or by selecting Convert My Money from the gray menu on the left-hand side. Next, you will be asked to select the type of currency you wish to sell from the first drop-down menu, and the currency you wish to buy from the second drop-down menu. Enter either the amount you would like to sell or the amount you would like to buy. The total amount available to you is displayed for your convenience. And click the green Get Rate button. This will generate a final proceeds quote based on a live exchange rate. The quote you receive is valid for a total of 20 seconds. The time remaining appears in the green status bar just above the quote. If the request is not confirmed within 20 seconds, the quote will automatically expire and refresh to a new rate, which will again be valid for 20 seconds. The process will repeat itself a third time if the request is not confirmed. If you do not confirm your request by the end of the third 20-second window, your request will expire and you will be prompted to enter your rate request again. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions and select the green Confirm Trade button to execute the trade. To cancel your request, simply click the gray Cancel and Return button to go back to the main menu. Please note, once a trade is confirmed, it cannot be canceled. Upon execution of your trade, a confirmation screen will be displayed with your final order details. Click the green Make a Transfer button if you would like to transfer your money. To view past transactions, select the Trades History in the gray menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This will generate a summary of your trade history and give you the option to view any individual confirmation by selecting the eyeball icon or to download it as a PDF by clicking the downward pointing arrow. To place another conversion request, click either the blue Convert My Money button in the middle of the screen or Convert My Money from the gray menu on the left-hand side. And that concludes this video tutorial on how to trade your funds and view your trade history.